Cuánto tiempo hemos perdido sin habernos comprendido. Yo no sé qué voy a hacer.
Delicious. Hi, we're here with Kathy Boyle, and Kathy, you have an event you're doing tonight. Tell us about it.
Well, we're here at the Thirsty Parrot, and we are hosting Uncommon Women on Common Ground tonight. And it's a kind of a Margaritaville, Jimmy Buffett feel Parrot Head costume event where the girls are going to vie for prizes for there. But more importantly, we have a silent auction going on as well. And many of the women have donated goods or services from their businesses or people that they know that wanted to donate. And we bid on those items, the proceeds of which all are going to be presented to Nancy Phelan on behalf of the animal shelter here in Rocky Point.
It sounds fun, and it sounds like it's going to be a great benefit, and I love your earrings.
Are they still flashing?
They're still flashing.
Okay.
Well, we're here at the Thirsty Parrot, and come over and see us.
And we're doing a silent auction to benefit the animal shelter.
Hola, yo soy Martín, bartender Thirsty Parrot, Perico Sediento. Lo que se está llevando a cabo hoy en el Perico Sediento es la fiesta de las mujeres especiales en territorio especial. Buenas noches.
Es fuego ardiente de felicidad con rosa roja yo demostraré mi amor. Sí.
Uncommon Women event quite like this, where we've been just pampered and taken care of. Yes. Also, we want to thank our Alex for our entertainment. We want to thank Nina and Bracken for our Penasco TV event.
I'd love to create a spiritual destination here where everyone can come and say, this is a place where they can heal. Because this has healed me just in 3 days, and I was walking with a cane when I got here. I got into the ocean, and I met some beautiful people, and I feel 200% better. And beautiful smiling faces tell me I'm in the right place.
Spoken like a true parrot head.
I'm embarrassed. See the palm tree. This was my big coup. I appreciate everybody that bid on this. And Phyllis is the big winner of the golf. We have a Seascape Hot Stone pedicure at the Day Spa Bella Serena. And Leah is the trip to Bird Island. I wasn't paying attention to this. Lori Reddington, the big winner of that one.
We would love it if you would tell everyone about PuertoPeñascoTV.com, and please tell the businesses you see here that you saw them on Puerto Peñasco TV.